Hello children, I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Today we will study about soil erosion. Have you ever heard about soil erosion? The upper layer of soil is made up of fine soil particles. It is rich in minerals and has humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. Sometimes heavy rain, running water, and wind remove the top layer of the soil. This is known as soil erosion. Let us perform some activities to understand how does soil erosion takes place. Activity 1: Soil erosion by water. Make a model of hills and a river valley by making heaps of soil at one place. Now pour water over it. You will see that as water runs down, it takes away top layer of soil along with it and deposit it in the river bed. This is known as silting. In this way, the fertile soil is lost and the level of river bed rises, making them prone to floods. Activity 2: Soil erosion by air. Place some sand at one place on the table. Now blow air over the sand. Observe what happens. The sand is blown off and gets deposited at some other place. The blowing away of top layers of soil is called soil erosion. How can we prevent soil erosion? Let us perform one more activity. Take two wooden boxes. Fill both of them with equal amount of soil. In one box, fix some plants like grass with roots. Tilt both the boxes. Now pour equal amount of water in both the boxes. What will you see? You will see that only water comes out from the box in which plants are fixed. And from the box in which plants are not fixed, some soil along with the water is drained out. This shows that plants help prevent the soil from flowing out. The plants act as soil binders. Thus, they are very important in preventing soil erosion. That's it for today.